Now in this section I will be going to show you the demonstration of RAG based application. I told you that RAG based application can be used for private data, but here in this demonstration I am not using any private data. I will be going to show you the example where I will be going to take any YouTube video and I will be going to extract the transcript of YouTube video, or you can say subtitles of YouTube video I will be going to extract. That can be done with the help of a class which is called YouTube-transcript-api class. So with the help of this class you can extract the YouTube transcript of any YouTube video. So this is what I have written also, YouTube transcript API class. So this particular class will extract the transcript or subtitles without downloading the video. Once I get the full transcript of a particular video, then I can ask questions from that video. So here, instead of private data, what I am doing, I am using the full transcript of YouTube video and I will be going to ask the questions from this transcript. So you may have YouTube videos which are very long, let's say 3 hours, 4 hours longer YouTube videos. So if you have a very huge transcript, in that case what I have to do, I have to break this text or transcript into many different chunks. That I will be going to do with the help of recursive character text splitter class. Once the transcript will be divided into many chunks, then it will be stored in the embeddings using the files class. After that I will be going to retrieve the relevant chunks by asking the question. So after this, the same question and the relevant chunks which I have extracted, I will pass to LLM and then LLM will be going to generate me the result. So this whole process I will be going to show you as demonstration. In this I am not using document loader because I am not extracting the data from any private document. I am extracting the data from the YouTube. So instead of document loader, I am using this particular class YouTube transcript API. This is the video which I will be going to use, which is what if we nuke the moon. I will be going to extract the full transcript of it, and you see this is the video ID QEFPBT9DU60. So in my code I will be going to use this ID to extract the transcript of this particular video, and this video is in English language. I will mention the English language also in my coding, but YouTube transcript API class will work for other languages as well. But before using this particular class, I need to install a package which is YouTube transcript API. I will be going to use this command pip install YouTube transcript API. Now I will be going to go in Visual Studio Code and I have created this particular file which is rag.py, and here first I will be going to install this command and hit enter. So you see it has been successfully installed. Now I will be going to import this YouTube transcript API class. So I will be going to write from YouTube transcript API import this particular class which is YouTube transcript API. Now I will be going to create the object of this particular class. I call it as YTD, that is equal to, and I will be going to call this class. So object of this class is created. Now I will be going to use the fetch function, and in the fetch function I need to pass the video ID, and the video ID is this, which I have already shown you. And after this, languages, and in the languages I will be going to pass English language in the form of list, and I will be going to close it, and I will be going to equate it with an object name transcript underscore obj, and after that I will be going to print this object, and I will be going to execute it. So here I got this output where I am getting this text, but along with the text I am getting other information also. The start time of the text and the duration of the text, both I am getting, but at the moment I am interested in this text only. So what I will do, I will make a loop and I will be going to extract individual fetched transcript snippet. So this is one transcript snippet from here to here, then this is another fetch transcript snippet, then this is another fetch transcript snippet, and so on. So for that I will make a loop, and I will say for snippet in transcript object I will be going to print each and every snippet. Now I am not printing this whole transcript, I am just printing each and every snippet separately. So I run this command. So you see it is giving me each and every snippet separate. But I am interested only in its text. I'm not interested in the rest of the data. So what I will do, I will just say snippet dot text, and I will be going to execute this command. So now I am able to fetch the whole text of the transcript. Now this whole text I will put in list. So I am creating a blank list. The name of the list I will say as subtitles. What I will do, I remove this print command and I will write subtitles dot append. So each and every text here, one by one, it will be appended in this particular list, and I will be going to get a single list. So if I show you this, after appending all the data, if I print this subtitle list and I execute my code, so you see this is a text which I have got in a list, then this is another text which I have got in a list, then I have got another text in a list. Now what I want to do, I want to join all the elements of this list. So for that, what I will do, I will be going to use the join command, and I will be going to pass this subtitles. So what this join command will do, it will join all the elements of the list as a single text, and before that I will give a space. In joining there should be a space, like after detonate there should be a space, and then a very powerful nuclear weapon on. After on there should be a space, and the moon would the explosion knock. So with this space I will join the elements of the list. So now that will be my complete transcript. So I will call it as final transcript. Now I don't need to print the subtitles also, so I comment it out as well, and I will be going to print this final transcript and I will be going to execute it. So now I get the whole data, whole transcript as a text. So that's good. Now the rest of the code of this RAG based application I will be going to implement in the next video.